मुझे बड़ा पसंद है. I love it, and that's what I just did. I made a 5 minutes video without a script. I'll tell you how. Now, even before a session also, I do this, and I think this is a brilliant way to get this out. मैंने ना ये हर सेशन में बोला है कि अपने दिमाग का जो डेटा है ना, basically you consume a lot of right things, no junk, but right format. Basically let me say कि मैंने vibe coding पर study किया in the past 40-50 days. Okay, now I have so much data in my mind. So to make that data simplified to people, what I will do is I will process all the data through my heart and then speak. I'll tell you how. अब जब आप दिल से बोलते हो ना, तो आप जेन्युइनली वो बोलते हो जैसे आप इंसान हो, जो आप कहना चाहते हो, जो फील करते हो. लेकिन जब आप दिमाग का डेटा दिल से प्रोसेस करके बोलते हो, तो आप बहुत फॉर्मल तरीके से नहीं बोलते हो. आप ऐसे तरीके से बोलते हो जैसे आपको ना चीज़ लग रही है, ठीक है, जैसे आप किसी अपने से बात कर रहे हो. सो आई थिंक ये फॉर्मेट मेरे लिए बहुत वर्क किया है. तो मुझे इससे बेटर कम्युनिकेशन का तरीका नहीं समझ आता है. एंड आई थिंक all those 120 sessions that I've done all over in my life, those sessions, the people who've stuck by to me, the reason has been this, that I've been always connected to the people via my heart. And I think that is something that leads me to from one thing to the next. And the next thing that it has led me to is trying to be consistent on talking to you. And I think it's a brilliant way to, you know, film every day. So I'm trying to be filming every day, and wish me luck with that. So this is day 1, and today I'm going to be trying to maybe vlog my day throughout or talk to you in bits and pieces in my day. And I think पिछले जो ये section of, okay, so if you are new, hi, I'm Simran. I run an IT and business development company, and now I am scaling my company from like 100 to 1000 and more than that. And we are planning a 90-degree scale. So it's basically we are shifting more from customizations to standardizations, and there are a lot of things I really need to tell you. And I've been into the industry for 8 years, and I've been also creating content, and I have 100k something Instagram followers, and I also create content on Instagram. So you can go follow me on Instagram and see me yap about the things that you really need to learn. So I never talk about anything in a way which it feels boring or समथिंग जो आपको समझ ना आए. क्योंकि मुझे पता है जब कोई कुछ बोलता है आपको समझना होता है, लेकिन आपको नहीं समझ आ रहा होता है, वो इतनी मोनोटोनी में बोल रहा होता है, लाइक कि भाई मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा है. सो या दैट्स देयर. सो दिस इज अबाउट टुडे. इट इज 8th of July, and we're starting off today, and the next 300 days I hope that I meet a lot of people who are really looking forward to have answers to their questions that I have. And I think this is going to be an epic journey, and I have a lot of videos. Basically I have stacked a lot of videos, and I've filmed a lot in Bombay as well. I've been in Bombay for a while. Now I'm in Nagpur for a while at my home, and I am working and researching on a lot of things to scale the company to 90-degree. And I've taken kinda a shift and pause, and I think that shift and pause is difficult, but it's also fun. So I think this video I will have to shut up here, because if I make this video a vlog, it'll probably just go crazy. But I promise this to myself and you all, that from this 8th July to next 8th July, you guys will be definitely in love with the answers that I have to your questions. And I will be in love with myself more, and I will be in love with the life I would be changing now. And I've been queen of abrupt decisions. Backstory I will tell you for the new people. I've been a CA dropout, and then I also have done a lot of experiments in my life, and then I did some comedy content for a while. But then there came a point when I realized this is not my calling, and then I was at some 35,000 followers, where I just shut up the entertainment content and delete my 1,000 posts or something, and then I restarted with business content, and that's what I did. And then in the past I think 9 months we've hit 100k, and it's a brilliant roller coaster that we have seen. And YouTube, I am expecting a lot of people to find really answers to their questions, and I think this is the only thing in my mind for now. In my mind there is no goal, number or anything. I'm just going to be talking to you about everything that I know about, and I think I just want you guys to have somebody which I never had. And I know what is it. I will not be able to brief it into words, but I'll just try to become that person. So make a lot of money, all the best. I hope you are like where you want to be in life, and you are trying to be where you want to be in life later. So all the best. See me. I'm going to start another vlog, because why not? So love, hugs, bye, and all the best.